Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I get to share with you the Sheetload of Cards sketch from October 2020. And if you haven't heard of the Sheetload, it is a sketch, the card sketch that Call Me Crafty Owl here on YouTube puts out. She designs and shares every month to all of her subscribers. And basically it's a sketch along with a supply and cut list. And each sketch and supply list allows you to make like a certain amount of cards. This month it's 8, sometimes it's 6, sometimes it's 12. You know, it just depends on the card design and the supplies. So again, she gives you the cut list and everything. She makes it so easy for you to knock out a bunch of cards. And this month I used this, the classic vintage pad from Craftsmart to make my cards. This is a pad from Michael's last year, and I also used this stamp set from Cartabella. It is Deck the Halls stamp set, and I used the Christmas greetings sentiment. So if you see the sketch, it's got like a square element here and then a sentiment. And so what I did is there was a page, well, a pattern in the, like a page in the pad that had squares for like an advent calendar or a countdown calendar, and there were 25, and some of them had like sentiments kind of already on it, like Silent Night or Noel, like things that I could use as sentiments later, and then some of them were just like individual or just a design, a picture. And so I decided these were just shy, these were like 2 by 2, and the sketch actually called for like a 2 1/4 inch square, so I made mine just a hair smaller than what the sketch called for, and then stamped my sentiment down here. And so I used craft card bases for everything, and these are A2 size cards. And then I kind of centered my square up here and then made sure to center my sentiment down here at the bottom. And then I felt like, because I was using the craft, I felt like it needed a little bit more pop of color. And so the tear strip, there's a tear strip at the top of every page, and on a couple of them there was like a red tear strip. And so I just added that behind my rectangle element here just to kind of add like an additional pop of red on the card. And then I did do something else a little different. I decided to round the bottom corners of my rectangle element. Alright, so I've zoomed you in just a little bit so you can see all of the cards a little better. And again, they're all the same design. There are 8 of the same design. It's just the image is different on all of them. And these were all cut aparts from the one page for like a countdown calendar. I love the vintage feel of this pad, and this was a rare Michael's pad that I may have still, I don't know if I got it on Hot Buy or if I actually paid just like, you know, half price for it, but it was one that I knew I wanted to have. So here are my 8 cards. If you would like to download the sketch for yourself, I have included a link to Call Me Crafty Owl's channel, her video discussing the October 2020 Sheetload of Cards. I have included a link for that in the description box below, and she makes this sheetload available to her subscribers. So if you go to the link in the description box below and subscribe to her channel, then you can have access to this month's sheetload as well as all past sheetloads. And there are a number of other crafters that are listed in the description box as well who have done their own take on this month's sheetload. So it's kind of a collaboration. There's a bunch of us that show you, we make the sheetloads and kind of show you at the beginning of the month, so in case you want to make them, you kind of have some different inspirations or different ideas on how to use the sheetload. So be sure to check those links out as well. But hope you guys enjoyed my card, and again, please be sure to check out Elisa's video to get the to subscribe to her and then get the link for this month's sheet load. But thanks so much for your time today, guys, and I hope you're all having a crafty day.